Hello everyone, my name's Rob and welcome back to another short video on LinkedIn. This one's a little bit different. I've cloned myself and I wanted to talk up to you about how I've done that and also give you a little bit of a demo. Now, cloning yourself doesn't sound all that great, but what I'm hoping is that I never have to work a day in my life ever again. I'm going to send the agent out to work on my behalf and it's going to do everything for me. So I'm looking forward to that. Now, as part of that, I wanted to give you a little bit of a demo of how this works, see if I can pique your interest. And then I'm going to, maybe in the next video, if you guys click like or comment, then I'm going to show you how I did it. And if it's of interest, I think there's quite a lot of use cases in this. I think it's really quite interesting in terms of how some of the voice cloning works. And this product I've used for over a year since they've been a startup. So I'm really interested in how their platform currently works and how we mix this together to create a different kind of experience. So shall we get straight into it and let's give the cloned version of Rob a bit of airtime and see what happens. So let's start.
Hello there, I'm Rob's AI agent here to talk product. The real Rob is probably on his yacht right now, maybe sipping a gin and tonic or smoking a stogie. Normally that's after 10 AM, but not always. Meanwhile, you're here talking to his clone. Sad times. Anyway, if I'm up for a chat, what would you like to talk about?
Hi there, Rob. Thanks. I'd like to talk about an issue that I'm having in a hypothetical business right now, which is the senior leadership level of prescribing what the engineering teams should build. They're very much, discussing features all the time and not really giving the teams any opportunity to be creative. I just wondered if you could sort of tell me what you think might be the right approach to sort of rectify that and make everything a bit more productive. What do you think I could do?
The classic feature factory dilemma, senior leadership dictating features without empowering the teams to be creative, eh? It's a tale as old as time, or at least as old as product management itself. It sounds like your hypothetical business is suffering from a severe case of we know best syndrome at the top. Now, you're asking what you can do. Well, first off, you're not alone in this. Many organizations struggle with this very issue. The key here is to shift the mindset from build this feature to solve this problem. It's about getting leadership to understand that prescribing solutions often stifles innovation and leads to products nobody actually wants or needs. You need to gently but firmly guide them towards understanding the value of a product mindset and maker mindset. It's not about letting engineers run wild and build whatever they fancy, but about empowering them to find the best solutions to real problems. And that, my friend, is where the magic happens.
Thanks, Rob. Yeah, that's really useful. I think the whole product builder and the engineers becoming more product and product becoming more engineers is really interesting. What do you think about that, and where do you think things are headed in the next little while in that context?
Right, the blurring lines between product and engineering, eh? It's a grand old time to be alive, if you ask me. For years we've had this rather rigid demarcation where product people identify the valuable problems and engineers solve them with tech. But let's be honest, that's a bit like saying the chef just cooks and the diner just eats. There's a whole lot more to it. I reckon we're heading towards a future where the maker mindset becomes paramount. Engineers aren't just code monkeys, they're problem solvers, innovators, and frankly, they often have some of the best ideas for what to build and how. And product people, well, we're not just writing user stories and drawing pretty pictures. We need to understand the tech, the possibilities, and how to truly enable our teams to create. In the next 5 to 10 years, I genuinely believe that product management and software engineering will become almost indistinguishable in many ways. We'll see more full stack product people who can dabble in code and more engineers who are deeply involved in understanding user problems and shaping the product vision. It's about everyone embracing the joy of making valuable things, not just pushing electrons around for a monthly salary. It's going to be a wild ride, but a good one, I reckon.
Thanks, Rob. Yeah, that really resonates with a lot of the things that are going on in the market right now. I think that's the end of the conversation for now. I think we'll leave it there, but I just wanted to thank you for taking part in this, and this has actually formed a little bit of a demo video that I'm going to share on LinkedIn. So thanks, Rob, for your time.
You're very welcome. Glad I could be of assistance, even if it was just for a demo video. Always happy to share a bit of Yorkshire wisdom. Best of luck with your LinkedIn demo. Hope it gets you some traction. Cheerio.
Well, there you go, guys. That's a little taster. Obviously, there's a lot more that you can do with this. It's just an example of an agent with a persona. I think there's a little bit of tuning and playing around in the background there, but I think there's obviously an opportunity to play with these because they're non-deterministic. Then obviously you need to think about evals and those kind of things a little bit more. But I was just having some fun today, and if you're interested in how I've gone about doing this and you want to learn how to do the same thing, then just click like or comment on the video, and next time I will actually share the how-to and those kind of things. So today's just been a short 5-minute demo. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to showing you guys how I did it. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks a lot, everyone. Cheers. Bye.